G'day viewers all. Yeah, I got my little hard drive off, a little Hitachi hard drive in a new enclosure. The bloody other enclosure I had was a real nice enclosure. I like it a lot, good quality. Actually had some decent screws holding it together. But the only drawback with it, this stupid little USB connector that it uses, it's crap. The new USB 3 Type B, I think it is, micro USB Type B connector. These, they are crap. Very unreliable, and they're very easily to get a bad connection. You've got to hold it straight. Slight movements, this will get a bad connection. And the hard drive's CRC error rate to be unnecessarily racked up for no reason because of this stupid socket. As that plugged in there, without much force at all, just snapped off the circuit board. It had no mechanical protection whatsoever. I think I've thrown it out now. Yeah, it's been thrown out. But the socket that it's plugged into, it didn't have much mechanical protection at all. So, a damn good enclosure this, but its drawback is that socket had no mechanical protection. You slightly move this up or down, even slightly, not intentionally, it will crack the solder. All that holds a socket for this in was the pins for the on the circuit board for this, and it had two main pins on the ground going to the front edge of the SATA bridge board. There wasn't nothing to support that. It's had no support whatsoever. These sockets are crap. Too unreliable. The sockets need to be redesigned, especially in this model here, for something like this anyway. Even I never unplugged it, I just had it sitting on the bench top because I use it regularly. But as this was moved around, as I rounded up in normal use and everything, just through normal use unplugging it sometimes, to when I put it away, when I wasn't using it, I unplugged the cord, and doing it repeatedly through regular use, yeah, the bloody socket snapped off the circuit board. I threw the circuit board out now, so yeah. Too unreliable connection. Way unreliable. The powered USB hub just so happens to use the same. This is a better quality cord that came off that hard drive enclosure. Well, that socket has not got a very good, there's a flaw with these. It's only got those clips on the one side. There should be one on this side as well, on this end as well. So I can squeeze one in on this end of the socket on the USB 2 end. This is a USB 3 portion, this is a USB 2 portion. This part is a USB 3 portion. If they put one extra of these clips on the end here, I think that'll take care of the issue a lot. That'll be a lot more reliable connector. Because this only has two as well. This is a low quality one that came with this Dick Smith hub. This one is a very good quality one, but it's coming with an A-stain hard drive enclosure I just showed you. So there's a flaw with these connectors. There needs to be another clip on this end and some reinforcement on these connectors on the circuit boards, because they are just not reliable. Very unreliable. If you're going to buy a good laptop hard drive enclosure, get the just an ordinary USB to USB A type there, like that. Much better, much better, much more reliable over the long term. So don't fall for these other ones. I really like that enclosure a lot though, but the only problem is this bloody thing. They only make this model only comes with that connector. They don't make this model with the other connector on it, only the cheaper ones. It's a damn shame. This is a very nice brand and good quality enclosure. Proper brass inserts in these screws so this doesn't break off, and can't have any more, can they? Oh well. This one here is the same chip, AS Media chip is in this one here as well. AS Media is a Taiwanese USB bridge chip manufacturer. I have nothing but bloody good success with those, so I'll stick to that AS Media chip based enclosures. This is the same chip as the one that was in this one. This one here even came with some spare screws. This never did. But then again, you would lose them, but these ones won't fall out because they're in a brass insert on both ends. This one here just screws on this end. This bit just clips in. So at least they give you some extra screws. One drawback though, this won't fit a 2TB laptop drive. These cheaper ones can, but you've got to go for Seagate Samsung slimline drives, which are 9.5mm thick. Most other brands like Western Digital are about 14mm thick, and yeah, you won't get one of these to fit a 2TB one of those hard drives in. These just aren't made thick enough, they're just made for one width, these ones. There you go. Okay, I made some improvements to this shed too. Did some sealing up of gaps. Stop the mice and pests getting in. Get both the solar panels going too. They work very well. I might even get some 12 volt pest repellers, electric pest repellers run off these. Solar panels and pest repellers are pretty much running definitely off a setup like that. And totally off the grid. I did some new shelving. The bloody shelf I made at the house, the bloody cat kept jumping up and getting out, so I had to get that out of there. Bloody Whiskers always gets dumb ideas, doesn't he? Crazy cat. Anyway, that's much better. And next week I'm going to get some more meters, so I'm set up, ready to go. Everything is cleared, ready to go for more meters. Some more SDs and BAZs. I asked you for some old panel meters too. Apparently there's a couple of old panel meters, vintage or antique panel meters, so that'll be cool. So I'm scrounging around for those. And yeah, next week we'll catch up. So more BAZs and SDs and Anderson guys. And hopefully, I got those Ferrantis he was talking about. But the guy, the guy who owned the premises those Ferrantis are on, he was he was kind of protesting that he didn't really want to upgrade. He just doesn't want an upgrade, so there's no guarantee I'm going to get the Ferrantis. It'd be nice though if I do get it. So yeah, thanks for watching.